Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error for Dead by Daylight for the PC. There are two different methods, so try not to skip any steps. The first method is to go into search on the bottom left, type in cmd command prompt. You want to right click this and say run as administrator. Once you have done that, you want to type in sfc/scan now, all one word. Hit enter and this will begin a system scan. What this is doing is this is scanning your computer for any kind of corrupt files and it replaces them automatically. You want to wait for the scan to finish and then restart your PC and try the game once again to see if that fixed your issue. If it didn't fix the issue, move on to step number 2. So step number 2, I'll put a URL in the video description below, but it will bring you to this website. You want to click on the download button here. What this is, it's a Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. You want to open this in your download folder. You want to right click on this and say extract all. Once you have done that, you will see something like this. Now on the very top, you're going to see a file called install_all.bat. You want to double click on this and run this. What this will do, this will install each file individually, and that is exactly what you want. This is almost guaranteed to fix this issue for every version of Windows available. Okay, if this helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.